Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is going to be about giving a tutorial for people who are new at Fortnite. So Fortnite is actually quite a popular game and a lot of people play it, and some of them are beginners who don't know how to play. So this video is for them. I really hope this video helps you. So basically in this video I'm going to be teaching you some parkour moves and some features about Battle Royale, which is one of the main features in Fortnite, like one of the main lobby that is used, and some things you need to know about Fortnite. So guys, this is just part one of the entire thing because there's a lot of things you need to know. So this is going to be just a beginning about some basic things you need to know so that you can say that I know how to play Fortnite. So please watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and let's get this video started. So the first thing I'm gonna tell you guys about is the map. So there are a lot of places in the map you can land. One of them is like Reckless Railways. I can give you some examples: Ruined Rills, Fencing Fields, Pleasant Piazza. I can't tell all the places right now because there are a lot of places and you gotta explore that on your own. So I'm gonna teach you how to mark places on the map in my next video. This is just to get you started. So there are a lot of places on the map, and as you can see, this blue marker in front of me where I'm going, I marked it on the map so I know where to go. Then you can ask some of your friends when you're like playing. You see that some lines on the map on some places which are different colors. So if you're wondering what these are, well, let me tell you. These are places you're supposed to land on. So like I'm landing on this place. This is called Reckless Labels. When you start playing the game, you can explore more of them. And yeah. Now the second thing we're going to talk about, I'm not going to tell you what type of weapons to choose. So whenever you go to a weapon, you just click square and take them. For example, so this is a blue chest. You open it, you find some good weapons on it, and you just take a gun and use it. And you just go near them, and you click on squares, and you get the weapons. Now I'm gonna tell you what type of different weapons there are in the game in the next video. As I said, I'm gonna say it again. This is just to get you started. So you can land in places like houses or closed shelters. Yeah, you could say shelters. I can say that. So, and you find some guns. You pick them up. So as I'm going here, I'm gonna go near them and I'm gonna click square to take it. And yeah. So this is how you choose your weapons in Fortnite. Now I'm gonna tell you guys about some of the most common parkour moves. So you click X to jump. I think most of you would know that. And you know the joystick you use to move it, you have to click on it to sprint. So for example, if you want to sprint, you click on like the joystick you use, like the one I'm using now. Just click on it, yeah, and you can sprint. Just click on the joystick and X to jump, and you click on the joystick for sprinting. And to drive cars, you go near them and click on square to drive, and you can do the same to get out of them. And yeah, and here I'm picking some weapons. And yeah, you see these boxes? These boxes contain bullets and you can take them. Bullets are actually essentially important for the guns because without bullets obviously you can't gun. So I'm driving a car right now. I think most of you would know how to drive a car. So it's R2 to accelerate, L2 to brake, and you use the joystick to turn around a little bit like this. And yeah, like the car I'm driving right now. And you'll get used to it and you'll get better at using the car and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna tell you guys about the storm. So basically, you see this blue thing in front of me? This is the storm. So if you go inside it, you start dying. I'm gonna explain more about why they use this storm in the game, and a lot of other games use it too, like PUBG, Call of Duty. I'm gonna explain why they use it a little later. in this video a little later. Another thing you guys need to know about, whenever you find like a gold chest like this has weapons in it, so you open it and you get weapons. And you can get sometimes good weapons and sometimes bad weapons, but it's a chest and you can get a lot of weapons with it. And yeah. There's another chest which is blue and it has more good weapons in it. I'm gonna tell you different type of weapons in my next video, as I just said a little while before. Now for some more basic parkour moves, X is for jump, I told you that before too, like this. And if you want to jump on surfaces like this, where you can't jump correctly, you just click X 2 times and then you can jump over these walls. 2 times S can you jump. And yeah. And another parkour move you need to know is sliding. So basically you just click on the other joystick, like press on it, and then you can slide. I'm gonna show you how you can slide, just a second. This is how you slide. So if you want to slide, it can be helpful in some slopes, and you can just click on the other joystick which you use to rotate the camera, and then you can just like click on it, and yeah. Now I'm gonna explain why you use the storm in games. So this blue thing is the storm, and they use it to bring people together, because for example, let's say there are 2 people left in the game and the other one is on the other end of the map and the other one is on the another end of the map, so they can never be found. So they use the storm to bring those people together so they can 1v1. 1v1 means like fight together to see who gets the win. And so the battle royales are basically about people who last till the end, and if you're the last one standing, then you win it. And you see this thing, this is like kind of a trampoline you can use for jump and parachuting. Now I'm gonna tell you guys how exactly you can kill people. I think most of you people know this, so I'll show you now. So basically you go near the person, you click on L2 which is for aim, and R2 for shooting, like this. And yeah, that's how you can kill people. And here we go, we eliminated a person. So L2 to aim and R2 to shoot. Now I'm gonna teach you how to build. So basically building is just to protect you from people you are shooting you. So you click on R2, you can make walls like this. You just have to click on R2. So you click on R2, you make walls. So remember that, like this. And if you click on L2, you can make a staircase like this. So this is helpful if you want to make a tower or something like that. And if you want to make a flat surface like this, you just click on R1, and there you go, you got flat surface. Now if you want to make a roof which looks like a cone, then you can click on L1 like this, and you have this now. So building is usually for protecting you from people you are shooting. I mean, they don't really protect you, but they just like give you some protection so that you can have some time to react. That's why they added this in this game. And I can teach you guys some more edits in my next video, which is going to be part 2. So just remember this building, and if you have anything you want me to teach you, just comment down below and I'll explain it to you in the next video. So I hope this video helped some of the beginners who don't know how to play. And again, I'm going to repeat the same thing. This is just to get you started. There's going to be a part 2 of this video, and if you have anything you want me to explain it to you, please just comment it down in the comment section and I'll happily explain it to you in my next video. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be seeing you in part 2.